I think I got something on here. It's kind of deep over here too. Alright. What did I get? Got a stick and a railroad spike. Alright. Let's throw out again. We got another heavy something on here. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's two railroad ties. One with clams and one without. Oh, that's a big one. Alright, let's see. What did I get? A couple nails and a giant washer. You know what I think it is? Railroad plate. Guarantee you that's probably what it is. Oh, never mind. It's a bunch of twisty wire and bridge bolts. Definitely grabbed something here. What do I got? Double railroad spikes, a big one and a small one. Let's see. Got something on here. Yep, the typical railroad spikes. This is kind of heavy. What do we got? Alright, let's check it out. Oh! Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow, I was not expecting to get that.
What is it? A lock?
Old lock. Very, very old lock. Get off of here. Oh, that's one of those. Wow, that is definitely an old one. That's really cool.
This one was buried a little bit. Oh wow.
That you think that was to the railroad lock maybe?
Yeah.
That's an old one. Keep this one. Wow. So they would they would turn this way or that way. This would uncover the keyhole. I don't know. That was a pretty neat find right there. Old lock. Wasn't expecting to catch that. Another heavy something on here. Let's see what we got. Oh, I think we got a socket. Yeah, socket. We got a. What is this? What the heck is that? Is that a tap? I think I just caught a tap. Some sort of maybe a tap or a die tool. Looks like a tap. Caught another railroad spike. Typical railroad spike. Right by the railroad. Neat. And I think, if I'm correct, this is part of a socket wrench. It's a socket, but it's full of mud. Neat. Oh yeah, caught me a fork. Fork's probably used to shank somebody. That's a very flat fork. Wow. Can't eat your dinner with that one. There we go. It looks like a big pipe thingy. Yeah, big pipe.
Well, it's closed at one end.
Yeah.
Crawfish Hotel. Nice.
Oh,
is that?
giant chunk of slag. Huge chunk. Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. Suppose it's all magnetic? No, it's probably something.
Inside of it.
Yeah. I'll keep that one out. We'll break it open when we go home.
Okay.
Set it up over there.
Oh my, I might need your help. Oh my. This is heavier than a plate. Oh. Oh, that's not a railroad plate. Oh, that is huge. Oh my god. Oh, oh. What the fuck is this? Let it leak. What is this? This is the longest pipe I've ever caught. Oh yeah, it is a pipe. Oh my god. I don't think I can take this. I don't think we can.
That looks like a piece of fence.
It is. Oh, it's one of the, it's that pipe, it's one of these pipe things that go. Should we leave it? It's
I don't know.
way too damn long. I think we should.
Yeah. But it should be here.
Yeah, I might have to.
That's a good weight.
Might have to let that go.
Let it go.
We don't have the. We don't have the thing in here.
Not in the boat. This is the truck. Is the end open?
Yeah. Might be longer than our boat. Oh, I see the end of it. It's probably full of mud.
I would think so.
Gonna have to lay it all across the. It's about as long as the entire boat. Oh my god. That's a record. We'll throw on this side. Watch me catch another one. That you're gonna have to cut up.
About 16 feet, yeah.
Catching a couple pieces here. Let's see. What do I get? Bottom to a can, maybe. Railroad spike. That's not a railroad spike.
Oh, what is it?
Yeah, giant chisel. Heavy duty chisel. Bridge rivet. Another railroad spike. Looks like a railroad bolt. Shoot. Oh, this same one. Yep. Yeah, I think I caught some buckshot. Two little wet ball thingies. least it's nice and cool over here. Whoa, that's a click and a half. I see a couple things down there. This is something right here. Oh my god, I'm sticking so much shit. Oh my god. You know that wrench I caught last time? Yeah. I caught another one. Oh, really? Yeah. It's missing the bottom though. It's always missing it. Why does it have yellow paint? Oh my god. Holy oh, I caught two! I caught two of them.
It's like 6 in 1.
This got stuck to that. That got stuck in between this.
Holy crap.
They all got, there's just, this whole area here is just full of them. I can see like there's metal there, there's maybe a chain link there.
Yeah.
Does this have a stamp? No stamp. Oh my god. I think I hit the jackpot.
I've never seen you pull up so much stuff.
I never pulled up two. This was barely on there. That is cool. I think this does have a stamp. I think it does. I can't tell.
You're rich.
I am rich. Oh, I wish to. Maybe that's what. Maybe they're not supposed to. Maybe they're supposed to be like a stake? Or a stake that goes into the ground and it holds something? Huh. That's cool. I've caught two of these now. This got some yellow paint on it. Oh god. Ugh. Ow, ow, ow. You should try throwing your magnet, man. Right here, mother load. Guys, I just absolutely hit the jackpot here. This is barely magnetic. Does it have a stamp? Oh, I see an M. Nah, it doesn't have a stamp. Darn. I got no. Wow, that's a long one. That's a J hook. Railroad J hook. Another spike. It's one of them railroad links. Bridge bolt. Another bridge bolt. J hook. Yep. This J hook's busted. It's stuck on there good. Nope, nothing on that. I don't know why Brandon didn't want to come with. Oh, dude! Dude, look at that! Look at that spike! It's barely on there! Oh man, just the jackpot railroad spikes. Doing the river a favor here. Caught a railroad clamp?
Oh, pellets.
Yeah, I don't know if those are buckshot or sinkers. Oh yeah, I caught like the holy grail of railroad spikes. Oh, I caught some fishing line.
Oh man, look at that. Another one.
Hold on, there's some fishing line on here. Yeah, so many of those now. Man, maybe we should have brought 3 buckets. Oh, wow. Oh. It never ends. It's just, there's just heaps on heaps of metal. There's just so much, it feels so heavy. I got another part of that wrench. I was just on here barely. It's crazy. We're just railroad galore, guys. It's just bad. Is this one legible? This has a 2 on it, but that's not really. It's bent. Is this one legible? Let's see. Nope. Wait a minute, is this piece of a... What do you think this is? You think that's a sword? What? Might be a piece to like a sword or something? Looks weird. Looks like some sort of like blade or something. I don't know.
An old machete?
Could be. Wood. Let's see. No, it's crusty. If you...
hold on to that one.
Yeah.
That does look different.
Oh my god, I'm catching all these lead balls. You guys know what these are? Let me know down in the comments. I'm not really... I'm guessing, my best guess is a wrench. But we keep finding them with the bottoms missing. Let me know if that's what they are. Alright. Doing... Oh. Man. Every throw, guys. Every single throw. Oh my god. Oh. It's every throw. It's just... railroad parts galore. Bolts and railroad stakes and it's a jackpot. This is just insane. Some of these railroad spikes even look brand new. They even have stamps on them and everything. Yeah, like this one, right? For example. Let me clean that off. You can clearly see there's definitely a stamp on there. You can see that there's clearly a stamp. Let me wipe you off there. Definitely a stamp on this one. It's I think it says 2 something.
Half a dozen of them. Look, I'm finding a bunch of these too.
Look at that one. It's a good one. I don't got much battery left, but guys, but he pulled up a fucking entire sledgehammer.
Yeah.
He hit the jackpot. You could still use that too. That's like brand new. I think that probably came from the factory over here. They probably dropped their tool in.
It's still yellow too.
Yeah, nice, dude. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe. And we'll be back on the river sometime, maybe next weekend.